Well, hi,
Hi.
I'm Chad, and I'm going to show you guys how to make some salad dressings. So next we're going to do the green goddess. Green goddess is one of my favorites with like fresh herbs. You have everything, like my garden's been going off. We had a ton of basil and parsley. So parsley, basil, chives. I'm going to put a little yogurt in it, garlic. It's pretty good. We're also using dandelion fields. All right, I'm gonna start with the food processor and I'll add in basil, a cup of basil, like a packed in cup of parsley. You can use whatever parsley. I'm using like just like flat leaf parsley, but curly parsley works as well. I'm gonna start with chopping those up before I add the chives. Throw in 3 tablespoons of chopped up chives. You don't have to chop it up. You could just add the chives full, but it makes it easier. 1 clove of garlic. A tablespoon, if I can find my tablespoon, of lemon juice. I'm going to start adding liquids. I'll add olive oil last, but I start adding liquids to start making it a little bit easier in the food processor. We're a little off balance. Apple cider vinegar. I'm going to do not a tablespoon, a teaspoon. With the wow, with with the lemon juice. I don't want to go crazy on the apple cider vinegar. I don't want to make it super tart or overwhelmingly vinegary. All right, now I'm going to add the yogurt, which is a cup of yogurt. And sometimes at home, I won't even blend this. I'll finely chop everything and just kind of fold it and then drizzle it that way. I enjoy doing that. I'm going to do an 1/8 teaspoon or whatever pepper. I'm using the Chimayo because I love it, but you could use a little paprika, but I do a really small amount, basically a pinch worth. Salt and pepper we'll add at the end kind of to taste, but I'm going to start adding olive oil as it spins in the food processor, and I'm going to do a 1/4 cup. We actually make it sometimes as well with a little avocado, if you're into that. Yeah. Just a pinch of salt. Probably don't need much. Pinch of pepper. And one last time. All right. I think we're done. We can plate this and try this.
Get that in. Get that leaf. That's good. Thank you.
There you go.